Exploring Bromance. Understanding a unique friendship. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and modern term in the English language, bromance. It's a word that blends humor, affection, and the complexities of friendship. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what bromance means and how to use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. The term bromance is a combination of two words, brother and romance. However, it's important to note that this isn't a romantic term in the traditional sense. Instead, bromance describes a deep, non-romantic friendship between two men. These friendships are characterized by a high level of trust, affection, and understanding. It's a modern term that reflects a changing view on male friendships in society. Bromance is a relatively new word, gaining popularity in the early 21st century. It emerged in popular culture, often used in movies, television shows, and social media to describe close friendships between male characters. The word gained traction because it succinctly encapsulated a type of friendship that many could relate to but hadn't been specifically named before. One of the best ways to understand bromance is to see it in action. In movies and TV shows, these relationships are often portrayed with humor and warmth. Characters in a bromance might go on adventures together, support each other through tough times, and share inside jokes. They are almost like brothers, but their bond is formed through choice and experiences rather than blood relation. Now, let's talk about how to use the word bromance in everyday language. You might say, "Those two have such a great bromance," when referring to friends who are very close and share a deep bond. It's a casual and informal term, perfect for light-hearted conversations. However, it's crucial to use it in appropriate contexts where the relationship it describes is clearly platonic and deeply friendly. Understanding the concept of bromance also means recognizing its impact on social norms. It challenges traditional stereotypes about male friendships, showing that men can have deep, emotional connections with each other. This term has helped in normalizing the expression of affection and support among men, which is an important step towards broader emotional intelligence and empathy in society. Thank you for joining me in exploring the fascinating world of bromance. This term isn't just a casual addition to our vocabulary. It reflects a significant shift in how we view and talk about friendships. I hope this video has been enlightening and that you can now confidently use and understand the term bromance. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting language insights. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.